Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel ALS Booster. Today we are going to discuss some most important topics of speaking part 1 like insects. How do you like insects? Or it can be what do you think about insects? Are there many different insects where you live? Or have you seen many insects? Do you think insects are useful or not? What kind of insects make some people scared? What are some common insects found in your country? What do you do when you encounter insects? The another topic can be of COVID-19. The questions are what is COVID-19? How did it affect the world? What could be the best solution of this pandemic? How did you spend time during lockdown? Have you learned something new in that time period? Do people in your country follow rules and regulations? Another topic can be on fish and fishing. The questions are: do you like eating fish? Where can you see fish? Why do people go fishing? Do you like fishing? Next is tidiness. Are you a tidy person? Are you more tidy at home or at school or work? Were you tidy as a child? Are people in your country very tidy? The another topic can be on baking. Questions: did you learn to bake when you were young? How often do you bake? What food are baked in your country? Is baking popular in your country? Do you want to learn more about baking? The next can be on stranger. Do you often talk to strangers? Is it difficult to ask something from a stranger? Are you afraid of strangers judging you? Do people in your country often talk to strangers? Next topic can be of teachers. The questions are: did you ever want to become a teacher? Which teacher do you remember the best? What did you like most about your teachers? Do teachers remember their students in your country? The next topic can be of online study. Do you like online study? What are the pros and cons of online study? Have you learned any skill online? Is it easy to learn or study online without a teacher? Morning routine. The questions can be of morning routine are: what is your morning routine? How is your routine different from when you were a child? What would you like to change about your current routine? What is a typical routine followed by the people in your country? The next topic is cards and invitations. Questions: do you often send invitations? On what occasions do you send or receive invitations? Do you prefer to receive cards or emails? Is sending cards common in your country? Parties. Which type of parties are popular in your country? Is music important to a party? Is it true that everybody likes parties? How does alcohol affect the atmosphere of a party? Have you attended any surprise party? Study focus. Why do some people study badly? Is it better to study online or in the classroom? Why are many girls better at concentrating? What are the advantages and disadvantages of studying in a group? Smartphones. Do you have a smartphone? What do you do with your smartphone? When should parents allow their children to have a phone? Are there some places in your country where phones are not allowed? Food. Do you like to eat fast food? Do people in your country often eat together? Why are family meals less common today? Is this a negative or positive development? Are international foods a threat to the traditional culture of your country? Lying. In which situation is it okay to lie to friends? Why do some people feel comfortable telling strangers the truth but not friends? Do politicians have to lie? Is lying common in your country? Speaking and listening. Questions. What's the difference between a good speaker and a listener? Is it more important to be good at listening and speaking? Why are some people not good listener? How can someone be a good listener? Talkative children. Do you think being talkative is a good quality for children? Is it good for children to talk a lot in every situation? What makes children talk less as they get older sometimes? What can teachers do to encourage children to talk more? Arts and crafts. Why do some people undervalue art? Should cities have more art in public space? Why do people admire art and artists? What is the difference between good and bad art? Thanks for watching. Hope you will enjoy the video.